Alright, I am going to do a cold start here, test the cam phasers. You should be able to hear it when I start the vehicle. It's right here. Hear the rattling on startup. In this photo that the mechanic sent me, you can see my engine as they've uncovered everything. You can see the exposed cam phasers. This is the old Ford redesign prior to upgrading and prior to the Ford redesign. So happy to get those replaced. I show a diagram in the next photo describing and circling the exact area where the cam phaser is bad. Here you can see the exposed coil within the cam phaser itself. This is coming loose, and this is what's making that rattling sound upon startup. This is not a repair that can be done at home unless you have a full up 3.5 liter EcoBoost mechanics garage. And so I sent this in to Bill Utter Ford up in Denton area of Dallas-Fort Worth. They took care of me and they got it done in about a week's turn. Now, if you'll notice, the cover is back on the engine. However, you can tell pretty easily that these are the new cam phasers. That coil has been covered up on each of the 4 discs, and that is a part of the Ford redesign. Okay, now that we've had our cam phasers completely repaired and replaced, new water cooler installed, it's a much better sound and it's startup. So I'm going to go ahead and do a remote start. Much smoother. 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo V6. Sounds a lot better. Very happy with the result. Highly recommend Bill Utter Ford in the Denton area if you're in DFW. The mechanics definitely